You're welcome to the Nati Guide. I'll be introducing one of the best and reliable crowdfunding platforms to you, and this platform is called Kickstarter.com. If you are new to Kickstarter, you'd have to sign up. So this is the platform. So basically, Kickstarter is a crowdfunding platform that allows individuals like you and I to turn our creative ideas into a reality by raising funds from a global community of backers. In case you have a creative project, but you don't have the funds to make that project come to life, you can use Kickstarter to raise the needed funds. So let's go through some of the steps on how to start a project. The first thing you need to do is to visit the Kickstarter website, which is kickstarter.com. This is the platform. Before you can post your project on this platform, you would have to sign up and verify your email. After doing that, you log in and browse through the various categories that they have. They have art, comics and illustration, design and tech, film, food and craft, games, music, publishing. In case you want to look at what others are doing, you can use the Discover button over here, or you can have a look at some of the ongoing projects at the sidebar over here. When I click on this, it will take me to the project that this particular person is working on and is raising funds for. If you decide the category that your project will fall under, then you have to come to this button which says Start a Project. Then you click on it. When you click on it, you can start a project by clicking on this button that says Start a Project. You'd have to describe your project in detail and set a funding goal. You'd also have to include high quality images and videos to showcase your project so that backers will be able to support you. Once the project is ready, you'd have to launch it and share it with friends, family, and other social media platforms. The moment your project reaches its funding goal, you would receive the funds to bring your project to life. This is all about crowdfunding. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.